ça là? Faut compter. Ça petit. The pearl. I always have a project in the car. Lunchtime. So this is it. Always have something here. And I have some yarn also. White one here. So I need to bring this in the house. My best book. So I'll get down now. Excuse me. This is what I bought. See, I will make a dress with this. I have this also. Lycra. Very good stuff. And also I have black silk satin. I will make a skirt with this. And I have this before. Look, a cucumber. And free for 50 rupees. This is my boxy top to attach both sleeves. Design here. I am now attaching the sleeve together. One I have already done. As you can see, I have already attached the sleeve. Nice. I bought a plastic bag full of mangoes. I'm peeling the mangoes and I will make pickles. As you can see, I have already grated some of the mangoes. We'll put it to dry. Some more to go. I have this. There's beautiful sun outside. This is my olive. You can make pickles. Here my paper. So I put this first, and then put this. I need the cover. Just for a while, you'll see it will change color, and then after that, either if you want to make crystallized, you can put it in sugar, or if you want to make pickles with it, you will you put salt, and then you put the spice after that. So we'll see what happens next. Here I have already put the grated mangoes in a recipient. Here I have put salt and I have put sugar on it. Now it's in the sun, and then after that I will throw the kind of water. It will release, and after that you see what If you want to make the pickles or you want to make salad. Now you can see the colors changing. Otherwise it will be overcooked. It won't be good. I have removed it from the vapor. Now I'm putting sugar. I blanch it first. See the olive, and here is the mango. After removing the water, I have put the spice. You mix the spice. Then if you need some more spice, or pickle or mix well, and then after that I will put the oil. This is the oil that I will be using. I brought this basket on the bed. I will show you which project I'm working on. It's a DMC Mellow. It is 50% polyamide and 50% polyester. It's very soft and squishy. I love it. I'm right now working on this sleeve. Put like a collar. I will pick up stitch here, and then I will make like a collar. Very squishy. I love this. It's heavy, but it is for cold season. It will be good. I'm making this for someone. She's a girl who rides motorbike, and that will be for her, so that she doesn't get cold when she's on the bike.